Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X1 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell type. Additionally, grab a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so you don't misplace any tiny components. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small, square release button on the side of your fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the casing open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks firmly in place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should now be able to lock and unlock your vehicle without any issues. For more great deals, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.